Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to remove member from a workspace in Trello. This is actually pretty simple, just follow my steps. First, select the workspace that you want to remove member from and click on this drop-down menu. Then simply select members right here, and here you should see all of your members. You can filter them by name or just search for them manually. Then if you want to remove a member, just go to this member and then all the way to the right to remove button. Now you can remove him from a workspace or just disable member access to workspace boards. So choose which one you want and remove it from the workspace. So as you can see, he has been removed from Trello Workspace. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.